Want to learn Python but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through what Python is, the uses of Python, and why Python. Note that this is the first video in the Python playlist, which will be updated every week to move further into the Python course. You're on TechTeks. Alright, let's get started. First of all, what is Python? Python is a popular high-level programming language that is very simple to use. It was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Python can be used to create a lot of things. Python can be used to create web applications on a server as backend. It can be used to be like the SQL in a website, while HTML, CSS, and JavaScript serve as the front end. Python can serve as the back end. That's why it's got so much uses with so many libraries that you can use for those uses. Python connects database systems. Python can also be used for machine learning and can also be used as part of AI. Python can also be used alongside software in the creation of workflows. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. And finally, Python can be used for rapid prototyping. These are not the only uses of Python. There's so many more, but these are the ones we're going to cover today. Why Python? Why is it that Python is so largely talked about? I think one thing is that Python can be used for so many different things. It can be used for different coding environments. It can be used for web application, and lots, data handling, lots and lots more. Other reasons are that Python works on many different platforms. Python works on Windows, Mac, Raspberry Pi, Linux, and many more. Also, Python has a very simple syntax, which is very similar to English. The syntax of Python allows developers to write programs with much more fewer lines than other programming languages. Also, the simplest syntax in Python uses new lines to complete a command, as opposed to other programming languages that uses semicolons, like in JavaScript, or parentheses in other languages. Python also runs on an interpreter system, which means that code is executed immediately, and this means that prototyping can be very quick. Like we said before, Python can be used for a lot of things. But to do those specific things like web application, data handling, and many more, libraries are used, libraries in Python. Examples of those are NumPy, which is for numerical computing and array manipulation, Pandas and Matplotlib for data handling, scikit-learn and TensorFlow for machine learning, Flask and Django, which are personally my favorite, for web applications, and many more. However, in this course, we will teach you the essentials in Python, which is the Python knowledge that is used for every Python library. So I wouldn't say the basics, it's not the basics of Python. We're going a little bit more further than that in this course, but we're going to teach you the essentials that you need for literally every single library. We're going to teach you what people say when they mean Python. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to watch out for our other videos in this Python course.